Are you aspiring to be a professional editor, or you are already into the industry but you are still trying to figure your way around? This video is for you. I'll be bringing you video tutorials on Premiere Pro, and Premiere Pro is the industry standard editing software that you are expected to get yourself acquainted with. On this Premiere Pro tutorials, we'll be bringing you some tips, tricks, and some easy hacks as to how you can work your way through. So we'll be taking you by the hands and leading you all the way. Having said that, I'll be teaching you from the start, which is how to easily import footages, organize your project, create a very good sequence, the settings and all. Also, we'll be talking about color grading, sound design, some certain tips that can still help you to ease your work, multi-camera, how to sync clips easily. All these and many more you should be getting, and at the end of the day, how to easily export for different social media platforms, no matter whichever platform you wish to put out your content. I will also be sharing some tips which you might likely be seeing from time to time. So I want to please urge you, do well to follow this channel if you haven't done that, so that you get notified once we drop our videos. So till I see you again, do have a pleasant time.